Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, close Chrome and sign out so active sessions don't block files. Next, export bookmarks to an HTML file and save it to desktop or cloud. This preserves your links. Make a quick list or screenshots of extensions and settings. You'll want those later. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel now because immediate action prevents leftover processes from interfering. Make sure sync is disabled so account data isn't root-loaded during removal. You will uninstall Chrome using the System Uninstaller, Windows Settings apps, or Mac OS Finder applications and move to Trash. Once the app is gone, remove user data folders to prevent restored profiles. On Windows, delete %local app data, %Google/Chrome/user data. On Mac OS, delete ~library/application support /Google/Chrome. If you know what you're doing, clean leftover registry keys or plist files to fully remove settings. You finish by rebooting. This finalizes file locks and registry changes. After restart, decide. Reinstall a fresh Chrome copy, switch default browser in system settings, or leave it removed. If something goes wrong and Chrome won't uninstall, boot into safe mode and try again, or run disk cleanup to clear temp files that block removal. One key tip: if profiles reappear after reinstall, confirm you disabled sync before uninstalling. Otherwise, cloud data will
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.